A state employee came to KXAN concerned about files missing from a state agency office building in North Austin. The Texas Health and Human Services Commission launched an internal review and reported the incident to Austin police. This week, a spokesperson informed KXAN they now believe the documents were actually never missing. KXAN investigator Avery Travis looks closely at the lingering questions about the confidential information in these documents and how the agency protects sensitive files.
A lot of times, elderly in these homes don't have an advocate to speak for them.
It's why this employee is proud of their work with the Texas Health and Human Services Commission, investigating concerns in nursing homes and assisted living facilities, especially during the pandemic. And it's why the employee was alarmed after receiving an internal email 2 months ago stating that a large number of files from 2020 and 2021 were missing from one of the agency offices.
Anything you could possibly want to take over somebody's life.
This employee, who asked to remain anonymous, says they all work with files full of sensitive personal information on nursing home residents.
Their name, date of birth, address, social security number, physicians, family, relatives, diagnoses, medications.
An Austin police offense report shows APD was investigating a theft from the building from the end of September. A spokesperson for HHSC told KXAN they take this issue seriously, reporting it to local law enforcement and the Office of the Inspector General in October. But they wouldn't answer our questions about what kinds of documents were missing. When KXAN requested an update on the investigation this week, the agency reported the records had been found, and they now believe the records had always been in their staff's possession, but appeared to be misplaced because they were not returned to the office in a timely manner by one of their remote employees.
We keep all those files in our cars and our houses. We were not issued filing cabinets that lock. We were not issued bags that have codes on them to open.
It's a wake-up call for this employee who says they're responsible for securing their files until back at the office. The agency told KXAN they do have formalized policies and procedures to protect confidential records and information as required by law. But for security reasons, they couldn't elaborate. A spokesperson for the agency cited a spike in COVID-related investigations and files as a reason for the confusion.
As a consumer, you have a right to ask, how are they going to protect that information? What steps are they taking?
Advocates with AARP say sharing that information comes with a level of trust in the facilities and the agencies that manage it.
And to get on Medicaid, they had to give a lot of the information we tell people not to share, but they had no choice.
When we asked for more information, the agency called this an isolated incident, and they said they have no reason to believe any information in these documents was accessed by or disclosed to anyone outside of their agency. Reporting live in the newsroom, Avery Travis, KXAN News.